Unleash creativity with ChatGPT. Are you feeling stuck with content ideas, struggling to write, create, or even bring your imagination to life? Well, let me show you how ChatGPT can unlock your creativity in ways you never thought possible. Here's how it works. First, open ChatGPT and enter the creative prompts displayed on your screen. I'll also share it in the description of this video. It only takes a few minutes, and in no time, you'll have stunning images generated just from your ideas. Next, we take those images and bring them to life with animation. Don't worry, I'll drop the exact prompt in the description so you can follow along easily. Once our images are animated, it's time to edit. You can use CapCut, Canva, or any editing app of your choice. Remember, editing skills are key to creating the best final outcome. It's where your creativity really shines. And now, let's put it all together and see the final result.
What if I told you success is like standing under a Coca-Cola waterfall? At first, it feels overwhelming. The pressure, the splash, the chaos. Just like chasing your goals, it can knock you off balance. But if you stand tall, embrace the mess, and keep smiling, you'll realize the chaos is shaping you, not breaking you.
And when you dive fully in, that's when life gets exciting, because success isn't about avoiding the storm. It's about learning to swim in it. So next time life pours down on you, don't run. Raise your hands, dive in, and enjoy the splash, because your breakthrough is waiting.
Yes! Rise up, my guy, no they waste delay. Shine your light, make it bright today. Step by step, you go find your way. Energy high, make the music play. Move your body, no damn back. Focus strong, no they lose your track. Dreams go fly like bird for sky. Keep the fire burning, it no go die. Oh, dance, dance, elevate your soul. Life na journey, you day in control. Shake off stress, make your spirit glow. Victory they call it the rhythm roll. Oh, dance, dance, elevate your soul. Life na journey, you day in control. Shake off stress, make your spirit glow. Victory they call it the rhythm roll.
With just a few steps, you've turned a simple idea into something dynamic, engaging, and ready to share with the world. So, what will you create first? Let me know on the comment section.